What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna make this intro short because I'm running late, but I'm on my way to a dance class. I can't say her Instagram name right, but it's NASTYA. If you guys know who I'm talking about, she's like Spanish or Colombian or something, but she's like viral on Instagram for twerking, and she's here in Scottsdale doing a twerking class. So I'm so freaking excited to go take this class right now. So hopefully I can get some like footage while I'm there. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. So hopefully I can get some footage while I'm there, and I'll see you guys soon.
Now arch your back, squeeze your lower booty. Goes up, then just relax. Put your booty to the top and relax yourself. Don't bounce, only booty and lower back. Again, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can try to throw your booty if it's easier for you. Like up, 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 up.
Alright, so it's a little while later. It took me a little while to be able to film like the rest of my vlog. I was so happy because I was able to get quite a bit of footage while I was in there. I didn't want to like film like the whole routine because I didn't want to like get in trouble for anything, you know, like posting like too much of her class, because then it's like, why take the class? I mean, it's still for the experience, but you know, kind of like when makeup artists, like you can't film their whole class and then post it online because then you wouldn't need to go take the class, you know. So I didn't want to like post like too much footage, but it was such a fun experience. I'm so glad I went. I went alone, which is not something I would usually ever do because your girl's got anxiety, but like I was able to just like keep myself calm and like just have fun. But like the place that they had it at, it was a good sized dance studio, but it was obvious they didn't have like a ticket limit. Like as many people who bought the ticket were able to come. So the classroom was like way overpacked. Like I even took some footage of it. So I'll put that right here so you can see how packed it was. But anyways, besides that, my puppy's about to walk into frame. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? No! Oh, he jumped down. But so I had like so much fun. Her booty in person is so big. Like I feel like Instagram doesn't do it justice. Like that thing is like it goes crazy. But so anyways, he loves, give me this thing. He loves to play with his toy box. See? Hey, give it. Give. He would rather play with his toy box than the toys inside of it. But, I mean, look how cute this is. Oh, my goodness, you crazy. Oh my gosh. He's lucky. He just smacked into the wall. This is my life. This is what I deal with all the time. He's lucky. He's so cute, and I love him. But anyways, where was I? It was too small, too many people. It was really hot. I'm trying to think of where I was. But I got a little bit of tea. So, there was this girl there. I don't know if y'all have heard of, I believe her name is Jasmine Brown. She's like an IG influencer. I'm not sure why she got famous, if it's just because like she's really pretty or like what she grew up doing. Like I'm not really sure. I don't know much about her, but I just have seen like her lash collabs with like Ilore. And I didn't realize the whole class I was dancing next to this girl until NASTYA. I'm sorry if I say it wrong. I don't know how to pronounce it. Reposted, because she reposted all of us on her story. I got a ton of followers from it, so shout out to you, girl. really appreciate that. But so when she reposted, I click on it and I was like, holy shit, like this is the girl I was dancing next to the whole time, and she's like an IG model, like she's famous, like I'm sure she got money in the bank. But she was like really standoffish, because like since I was there alone, I wasn't just like gonna like keep it to myself the whole time. Like I would talk to people around me, and all the girls were like really friendly, like having fun together. And like I was like next to her, and you could just kind of tell that she was just kind of like don't talk to me, would just kind of give me the like look. Like I don't know if it was like she thought she was like better than me, like I don't know, like she had her friends there with her, but it was just like weird vibes. I know like personally when I have anxiety, like I don't want to talk to people, so I don't know if like that's the case, that she's just not friendly, standoffish. But I just got like a weird vibe, and I'm like, that's kind of weird. Like we're all here having fun, like, but you know, you do you, like I don't really care at the end of the day. But I could definitely tell Nasty Nos, I know I'm saying it wrong, but if that's not how you say it, that's how it should be, because girl, your twerking is nasty. But you could totally tell she was like getting annoyed, because there were so many girls in the class that it was like hard for her to teach. Like it was really hard to see her, not for me, because you know my ass was right up there up front. She would like go between being in the middle, and for the first class I was like in the middle, so I was right up front when she was doing like demonstrations. And then for the second class with choreography, I like brought my ass, I ran up there straight up front. But with the first class, there were so many girls that like, and they would just keep talking when she was like trying to talk, and just kind of like almost wanting to teach the class over her, like do this, do this, do this, like just really excited, you know. But you could kind of tell she was annoyed. And like there was one girl who was like all up on her one of the times, and she was just like, yeah, all right. But I mean, overall, it was like such a great experience. I'm so glad it was something that I did. For the first class, what did we do? I'm trying to like recap everything, because this was like 2 weeks ago. I know I suck for like waiting so long. But so for the first class, at the end we had like, oh, there was like a dance circle, and she would like pull people in, and I got pulled in. And I used to be able to twerk in the splits, and your girl was not like properly stretched, and I pulled the fuck out of my hamstring. I've done it so many times to myself. I know when I can do it and when I can't do it, but of course I wanted to show out, and big mistake. I almost didn't take the next class. I was in so much pain. Luckily I had ibuprofen in my purse, so I popped a couple of those, so that way I was like good. But I was like, Liz, like what are you doing? Why do you do this to yourself? Take care of your body. But anyway, so after that, they were like filming during it. It was super cool. I'm in the little background of her IG video. I haven't watched her YouTube video from the class. I don't even know if it's like posted yet. I didn't even know she had a YouTube until they were talking about it in the class. But then for the second class, at the end, I'm sure you guys have seen her videos where it's like a half circle. So they were like letting girls like go into the circle, in the half circle, to do the routine, and they're like filming it and stuff. And the videographer kept getting so annoyed, because like I'm sure you guys have seen, it's like a open wide circle, so it's like nobody's like really on the sides right here. The girls kept like, I was back here because I like wanted to be in the video, like I wanted to get good footage. I was ready to be up there. I didn't want to dance in that part, because by the end of it I was so exhausted. By the end it had been 4 hours that I'd been dancing, so a girl was tired, plus it was so hot. Your girl messed up her hamstring, so she was just a mess. But so for the end of it, the girls kept like curving like forward, and the videographer, like after every time people would dance, would be like, back the fuck up. Like he was trying so hard to be nice, but he was getting so annoyed. He's like, why is it so hard? Just fucking stand like this, not like this. And then everybody has room, but everybody, like, I don't know if y'all know about Scottsdale, but it's like everybody wants to be seen on IG. Like, am I guilty of that? Yes. But like everybody wanted to be in the video, everybody wanted to be seen, like kind of like that kind of vibe. Like everybody's really big into social media here, so it's like kind of that vibe. So everybody's like getting closer and closer to like be in the video. You know, my ass was up there, you know, so I could just stand back, not be in anybody's way, and have a good time. But some girls kept like coming in. He was getting so annoyed. And then for the last part, he was like, when she went to do the dance, the one that goes on Instagram, that video, he was like, y'all don't back the fuck up. Like, of course not saying it like that, but he's like, all right, like, we're doing this one last time, y'all need to stand back. Like, but I mean, overall, I had a great time. I'm so proud of myself for like, so I don't really, people my whole life have always told me to like put myself out there more. I don't know what that means, but hopefully this was me putting myself out there, like talking to people. Like, I don't know, I've always just been kind of like a more like closed off kind of person until you really get to know me, and then I'm just like obnoxious. But I'm like working on just like being friendly with people, so I was really proud of myself for going alone. Like, so many girls DM me like, oh, I wanted to go but I didn't have any friends to go with. I was like, girl, go alone, do your thing, don't miss out on opportunities because your friends can't do it. So I'm real happy I went. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this is my first vlog. So let me know what y'all thought. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, like and subscribe down below. Y'all know the drill. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.